Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In our last video, we have created a free blog website and customized the theme for the blog. In this video, we will discuss blog post. After creating your new blog, you have to write a post on your blog. Writing a post is the main purpose to create your blog. In this video, I will show you how to write a blog post on Blogger step by step. To write a blog post on Blogger, go to Blogspot and sign in. At the top left corner, you will find the post option. Just click on that post option. Then you will see Create New Post option. Click on the new post. The moment you click on a new post, it will open a new page. This is the interface of your post editor page. From here you have to create your blog post. There are many tools provided inside Blogger to write a blog post professionally. Let's talk about those tools. Pen tool. In the first item, you can see there is a pen icon. If you click on that icon, you will find two options. The first one is HTML view, another one is compose view. You can use both of them, whatever you require. Normally, to write a post, you will use the compose view. Undo button. In this option, you will find the undo button. With this undo button, you can undo any operation you made. Redo button. If you wanted to redo any of your operations, then you can do it with this button. Font. In this option, you will see font option. If you don't like those fonts, you even can upload your favorite font. Font size. In this option, you can change the size of the font. Font format. In this section, you can change the format of the font according to your requirement. Bold, italic, underline. In this option, you can change the font to bold, italic, and underline. Strike-through. With this option, you can make a strike-through. Text color. You can change your text color from this option. There are many colors available in that option. Text background color. With this option, you can change the text background color. Insert or edit link. With this option, you can insert or edit any link in your blog post. You can insert any link inside any e-word you choose. Insert image. With this option, you can insert an image on your blog post. You can insert images on your post from your computer. You even can insert an image by image link. Insert video. With this option, you can insert a video on your blog post. You can insert video from your device. If you like to insert a video from YouTube, that is a possibility. Insert special character. With this option, you can insert a special character. More options. In more options, you will find several options. You will find text alignment, increase indent, decrease indent, bulleted list, numbered list, quote text, insert jump break, left to right layout, right to left layout, input tools, and clear formatting. Those were the 17 options to help you write your blog on Blogspot. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.